In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a goal in Google Analytics. So the first thing you need to do for that is to go to the admin option on the top menu here and click that. And then over on the right hand side here, click on goals. And that will take you into a screen which shows any goals that you already have set up. And it will also have this button here that you need to click on to create a new goal. If the new goal button isn't there, it means either you've reached the maximum number of goals you can have, which is 20, or it means that you don't have sufficient admin rights on the Google Analytics account to be able to create new goals, in which case you need to talk to whoever is the administrator about getting your level of access upgraded. So once you click on New Goal, you may see it come up with this list of templates. If you do see that, I would suggest that you go down here and click on Custom so that you can create the goal from scratch. And then click on Continue. Or you may go straight to this bit here without having to click on Custom first of all. It just depends on how your analytics account is currently configured. So once you get to this bit, you give your goal a name. So for this example, let's suppose that we've got a site with an e-commerce style checkout, and we want to have a goal that is based on people getting to the end of the checkout process. So we could call that goal something logical like purchase. And because this is a goal based on people arriving at a particular page, the type of goal is going to be destination. In other words, have they reached a particular destination on your website? Then click Continue. And then in this box here, we put in the name of the page that they have to get to have achieved that goal. So if the page was called, for example, checkout, we would put /checkout, because we don't put the full website address, we don't put your domain name, we literally just put the bit following the / as it says there to remind you. There are other options there if you had the kind of website where there was sometimes some tracking code on the end of that, so the actual address was different for every single purchase, then rather than having equal to here, we could say begins with, so that would capture a goal every time someone went to any page that began with /checkout. And then we click Save, and there we are. There is our new goal. Now there is another type of goal you might want to create, which rather than being a destination goal is an event-based goal. So that's if we are tracking something that isn't reliant on people arriving at a particular page, but instead if we want to have a goal be created every time someone triggers a particular event. And this is often used for things like inquiry form submissions. So to do that, it's a very similar process. We go to New Goal, again go to Custom and Continue. And this time we're going to select, give it a name first of all, we'll call that inquiry form submission, for example. And this time it's going to be event, and then Continue. And here we just use these boxes here to say what event it is that we want to track as a goal. So maybe our event has a category of inquiry, and it's got an action of form submit. Again, these will have to match whatever you set up as categories and actions when you created the event in the first place. And there's a different video on actually how to create an event and some other resources on that. And then click Save down there. And there we are, and that's our event-based goal created. So there we have a quick overview of how to create a goal. Firstly, a destination-based goal, and then the second one, the event-based goal.